నమస్తే, వెల్కమ్ టు టీవీ 786. మైనార్టీల సంక్షేమమే మా లక్ష్యం.
నలందా యూనివర్సిటీ గయా బీహార్లో జరిగిన హజ్ యాత్ర జాతీయ సమావేశంలో ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ రాష్ట్ర అభివృద్ధి, మైనారిటీల సంక్షేమం, హజ్ యాత్రికులకు ముఖ్యమంత్రి చంద్రబాబు నాయుడు గారు చేస్తున్న ప్రభుత్వ ప్రగతిపై ప్రసంగించిన హజ్ కమిటీ ఎగ్జిక్యూటివ్ ఆఫీసర్ మహమ్మద్ గౌస్ పీర్ గారు.
So, out of that amount, whatever the airfare difference can be met, and the remaining amount will be, meted to the minimum expenditure that will be incurred by the Hajj pilgrims. So, this help, this kind of help, may be adopted by some of the states which where the pilgrims can face the excess of financial burden. Then here, through hub and spoke model, some of the nearby embarkation points can be measured with the higher embarkation points, where there are large number of potentialities there through road transport or by rail connectivity, so that the financial burden on the pilgrims can also be minimized. Next, low-cost roaming package for pilgrims in India itself will reduce the expenditure in buying SIM in Saudi Arabia. There is a communication gap between the Hajj pilgrim and their family members, because once they land in Saudi Arabia, they have to purchase the SIM card in Saudi. Until it activates, they will not have any communication between their family members. To ease of the difficulty, it is suggested that an international roaming SIM card can be provided to the Hajj pilgrims. See, this visa cost is high, should be taken up with the Saudi Arabia. Actually, 3 years ago, the cost of the Hajj pilgrimage was lower than to around 60 to 70,000. But is now in the recent years it has been increased. So it also be a burden on the Hajj pilgrims. So if we have any bilateral discussions with the Saudi government, there may be chances of reduction of in visa processing fees. And one more thing, global tendering and permitting areas other than Indian and Saudi Arabia islands will minimize the fees. So if we invite the global tenders, there will be a chance of competitive prices. There will be a chances of reducing the airfare. And one more thing, we have to adapt the capacity building option to improve the standards of the persons or employees who are working with the Hajj committees of various states, so that they can effectively communicate with the Hajj pilgrims either in India or in Saudi Arabia. And one more thing, there are some needs in various states. For example, after bifurcation of the state,